Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo bago matapos ang taong 2024. So, tingnan natin ang mga exciting energies, blessings, or mga pagbabago, pasabog, no, bago matapos ang taong 2024. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay? So, let's see. Cancer, ano yung mga pasabog bago matapos ang 2024 for Cancer? Wow! Okay, unahin natin ang astro energies. You have, Uranus in Gemini in the second house. Second house is about your finances, your abilities. So Uranus is the planet of change, the planet of unexpected change. So pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng unexpected na pagbabago sa mga sources of income ninyo. Let's say, yung iba pwedeng magre-resign sa trabaho para magnegosyo, or yung iba from pagbi-business, magko-close kayo ng business para mag-start ng trabaho or ibang endeavor, no? Pwedeng any source of income to. Pwedeng self-employed, or you may be creating contents online, because this is the energy ng Gemini. Gemini rules communication, content creation, learning. Maaring magkakaroon ka ng biglaang interes sa isang bagay na pagkakakitaan. Let's say, magkaka-interest ka sa crypto, no? Trading, ganyan. Or magkaka-interest ka kung paano maging affiliate sa TikTok, or paano mag-content creation, or paano mag-online selling. So, you are going to discover your other abilities in making money. Kasi meron tayong abilidad talaga kumita ng pera. Iba-iba lang talaga ng diskarte yan. Kung saan tayo mas excited, kung saan tayo mas may interest, kung ano yung available sa atin at the moment, kung ano yung resources na meron tayo. So, some of you will explore that kasi meron kayong realizations na, oops, gusto kong may magbago sa sources of income mo. Gusto mong may magbago sa mga properties mo, mga ari-arian mo. Okay? So, yung iba naman, maaring may pagbabago pagdating sa properties. Pwedeng may bibilihin ka na properties, bahay, lupa, sasakyan, or this is just you tapping to your skill set, your talents. Kasi ang talents naman natin, ano yan ine-explore yan, 'di ba? Andyan na yan nasa sayo na yan. Ngayon, kung hindi mo siya i-explore, hindi mo malalaman na may talento ka pala doon, 'di ba? So you will be open to new opportunities, learning something new. Okay? So you have Tiwas. Tiwas is about leadership, courage. So yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong leadership role ngayong bago matapos ng 2024. Let's say magkakaroon ng promotion, or may maa-assign sa'yo na responsibility na kung saan ikaw ang magli-lead sa mga tao, no? Na ikaw yung kanilang susundin. This is also about your abilities to take action. To take action sa mga goals mo sa buhay na pwedeng hindi mo pinapansin kasi akala mo hindi mo kailangan. Pero bago matapos ng 2024, you will realize na ito palang goal na to, kailangan gawin ko na. Kailangan isakatuparan ko na. And paano mangyayari yon? You have to do it. Sabi nga ng Nike, just do it. 'Di ba? So you are now illuminated, you are now may clarity ka na of what you want in life, of what you want to pursue. And you also have Urus. Urus is about power and strength. Some of you will also focus on building your physical strength. bago matapos ang taon, isiset mo na okay, magsisimula ka na mag-gym, mag-exercise, mag-jogging, because you want to be healthy, you want to be physically fit. Hindi naman kailangan magsimula ng January 1 eh, 'di ba? Ang lahat. Yan yung mga New Year's resolution. Anytime pwede kang magsimula as long as you are devoted. Consistent ka lang talaga dapat. Okay? So you will build a physical strength. You will also be more powerful, no? Dahil alam mo yung gusto mo eh. So, kung hindi mo alam ang gusto mo, most likely hindi mo alam kung anong direction pupuntahan mo. But if you know what you want, you will definitely get what you want kasi alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. So, you have to make sure also na you know what you want. Okay, let's see the overall energy for you ngayong bago matapos 2024. 7 of Cups. Ayun na nga. Some of you are confused about what you want. Maraming options available sa inyo. That's why hindi kayo makapili. Alam niyo, pwede namang may mga bagay na pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin as long as kaya mong i-handle. Okay? That's why kailangan i-reassess mo yung sarili mo. Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo bang magnegosyo habang nagtatrabaho? Kaya mo bang magtrabaho habang nagnenegosyo? Kaya mo bang i-handle yung mga iba-iba mo pang responsibilities? Optical illusion, not what it seems. See, tinan mo to, confusion. Ayan, pati yung confusion. So, maging maingat sa decisions mo, Cancer. Kasi pwedeng na-overwhelm ka eh. Ma-overwhelm ka sa mga potentials mga potential na pagbabago sa buhay mo na pwede mong baguhin. Oo. And, ayan nga yung sinasabi na paralysis of the analysis na kapag hindi mo, parang nag-overthink ka, hindi ka makapag-decide, lalo nagtatagal, lalo ka nasa stuck. Okay, money, career, finances. You have the Hermit. Ayun, yung re-assess mo. The Hermit is about finding light. Hinahanap mo yung liwanag, hinahanap mo yung katotohanan. So, maaring sa career path mo, sa trabaho mo, maaring yung iba sa inyo hindi kayo masaya sa trabaho nyo or sa ginagawa ninyo, sa career ninyo. Now, it's the time to reassess. Ano ba talaga? What will make you happy? What will make you feel inspired again? Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, may talents and skills sa design. Sabi rito, it's time to express yourself through design and art using your talent. What are we talking about ba kanina? Puro talent na talaga to eh. Second house is also about your talents, your skills. Being creative with your finances will bring success in your career. Paano ka ba magiging creative sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa finances mo? 'Di ba? Let's say gusto mo mag-ipon. Hahanapin mo or aalamin mo kung ano yung paraan ng pag-iipon na kumbaga mas in alignment sa mindset mo, sa behavior mo, sa attitude mo. 'Di ba? Kung ikaw yung tipong mas na-excite mag-ipon kapag araw-araw ka nagtatabi, pa piso-piso, 5 piso, 20, magkano man 'yan. 'Di ba? Yun yung gawin mo kasi yun yung mas nag-a-apply sa'yo, 'di ba? Or kung gusto mo, buwanan talaga. Or any decision making pagdating sa finances mo, sa career mo. Yung iba sa inyo siguro, meron kayong talento talaga sa creative design. So kung yan yung gusto mong i-pursue, this is your sign na i-pursue mo na. And makakatulong dito is yung pagkakaroon ng kapayapaan ng isip. isipin mo yung talagang gusto mo. Do meditations, no? Para you will settle with the best possible decision. Sa inyo namang love life, you have the Ten of Cups. Oh, Ten of Cups sa love life relationship. This is a very good energy. This is a positive energy because this is about fulfillment. So you may experience fulfillment in your relationships, whether this is romantic, sa family, or just within you. You feel good about your relationships with others. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, syempre, usong-uso yan pag bago matapos ang taon, may mga reunion, get together. Ayan. Let's see what else for Cancer. I'm seeing synchronicities like your name or 1111 and working out what they mean. Oh. So, when it comes to relationship, pay attention sa mga synchronicities na nakikita nyo, mga repeating numbers, kasi yan yung mga sign na binibigay sa inyo ng universe about your situation or your future when it comes to relationships. But for you, I'm seeing good things sa relationship, sa family. I also see you na connecting more with your family, being with them, spending more time with them. Okay, let's see what else. For Cancer. Bago matapos ang 2024. Archway. Uy, merong door of opportunities. New opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. Oh, 'di ba? May nag-open na bagong opportunity sa inyo. Can be opportunity for a business, a career, or an opportunity para ma-explore nyo pa yung talento nyo, yung skills nyo, abilities nyo. Let's see the final message for Cancer. Surrender. Oh, wow. Okay. Stop trying to control life. It gets in the way of divine intervention. May mga bagay kasi na parang we want to take control of, but there are times na wala tayong magawa. Okay? So, for those times na parang feeling mo wala ka nang magawa, it's beyond your control, you just have to surrender it. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, you are divinely guided, merong divine intervention, may kailangang mangyari, no? Para ma-lead ka doon sa path na you are supposed to be. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.